In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase the maximum volume on your iPhone by up to 100%. So first thing you want to do is open up your settings app, which is the gear icon. And then we want to scroll down till you see the sounds and haptics option here. Tap into that. And the first option that we want to go into is at the bottom here where it says volume limit, right there under built-in speaker. Tap into volume limit. You want to make sure that this option here where it says limit maximum volume is unchecked. So it automatically will set a limit for how loud your iPhone speaker can play audio. But if you disable this and it's grayed out, the limit will be reduced. Now, this is only applicable to certain things within or on the iPhone, so just understand that as well. Next, go back one to get back to the sounds and haptics options as you see here, and scroll down to the bottom to where you see an option under headphones that says headphone safety. Tap into headphone safety, and then right where it says reduce loud audio, if you uncheck that and gray it out, it will no longer try to automatically reduce loud audio, so allowing you to turn it up or have the audio sound louder than it normally would. So that's the second setting that you want to select. Now go back to the general settings, and all the way at the top, you want to select accessibility. Under accessibility, you want to then go to where you see audio and visual. It's in the third or fourth section down. And then once under audio and visual, right there at the top, it says headphone accommodations. Tap into that there. Go ahead and enable that over to the right and select vocal range right there under tune audio 4. And then take that slider below all the way to strong, allowing it to go to the loudest setting possible. Once you do that, you should notice a very large increase in the volume on your device. So if you have an older person in your life, or if you just specifically need it because your hearing might be impaired, these are some great settings that can increase the volume a whole bunch on your device. If you have any questions, I'll have a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.